Well, my son, he's 6 years old, and Damien, I'm actually bringing him to court because he hasn't paid child support in the last 3 years.
Okay.
And our son is 6, like I was saying.
Okay. Is that it? Does the child live with you?
He lives with me, and so I haven't had any kind of help. And whenever I call him to come get his son, he says he's going to come, but he doesn't show up. And so I'm here to get money for him to help take care of our son.
Okay, where is this Damien?
No.
No, ma'am.
Who are you?
I'm his wife.
Okay, that's great. But why are you here?
Because he's out there building the bridge of Gibraltar. He's an engineer.
Right, but this is his child, right?
Yes.
So this has nothing to do with you. So I'm confused as to why you're present today.
Oh, just to handle the current situation.
Oh, okay. Well, that'll be cute. So he's building what now?
The bridge of Gibraltar over in Italy.
Oh. How much is he making for building this bridge?
I think easily like 80,000 just for that.
80,000 just for that?
Yeah, it's very important.
Oh, very important, right. Okay, according to what you submitted on his behalf, he makes about $104,000.
That sounds about right.
It sounds about right? Mm-hmm.
Okay,
that's a nice ring you have on.
Oh, thank you.
Is that new? He just bought that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Interesting. Okay. Anything, do you all have any kids or anything?
Yes, we have 2 kids together.
2 kids, okay.
Cheated on me with her.
Excuse me?
I was saying he cheated on me with her.
Are you mad? Are you little mad or big mad?
I think I'm big mad.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Well,
because
you know what? You're going to have to get over it because this is not a therapy court, okay?
Right, okay.
You're going to have to get over it.
In America, 1 in 4 parents who should get child support never receive a single dollar construction and engineering jobs abroad, usually pay double the average U.S. salary, making it easier to track down money for child support, a common pattern. In many courts, is new spouses showing up instead of the parent who owes support, which tends to backfire 85% of the time. In fact, in most cases, it leads to higher payment orders.
Bam. All this attitude, you know, you guys really need to try to be friends and get along. Well, you don't necessarily have to be friends. You should try to get along, considering that this is your child with her husband, and that is your stepchild.
I guess so.
You guess. No, that's what it is. So you two need to start trying to get along, and you need to get over yourself and stop being so mad.
Okay.
So, based on what he makes that you provided to the court, he's going to be paying child support. Did you know that by you showing up today and telling me how much he makes that he would have to pay?
That doesn't make any sense. How like, why? Like, he's already paying for me and my kids.
Oh.
And she should have been a better wife.
Oh.
I mean, I was
Excuse
giving
me?
him what she
How do you
couldn't.
know what type of wife that she was? Were you in their house? Yes or no?
No, well,
Yes, she was,
but-
but I wasn't there
What, you know,
in my
you know
bed
what?
and stuff.
The fact that you think
Nasty.
that is even funny is not attractive at all. Ma'am, he was served to be here today. He failed to show up. And unfortunately, he's going to have to be in default, which means that I can honor her request to make him pay child support. Please, don't look confused. It kills me when you come on here and you show up for him. This has obviously nothing to do with you, but you want to show up in his place and then look confused when he's ordered to pay child support based on what you submitted to the court.
Family courts have found that tension between new spouses and ex-partners hurt kids the most. Kids with fighting parents show 67% more behavior problems at school when someone skips their court date. Judges rule in favor of the other parent. 91% of the time, hit subscribe now not to miss any. New
I
episodes.
have his gross at $8,666.67, net of $6,525.63. Who pays health insurance for
I
the child?
do.
How much do you pay?
For both of us, $300.
No, ma'am.
For him, $150.
Yes, for him only $150.
Yes,
He's
ma'am.
also going to be responsible for reimbursing that too. Make sure you relay that message to him when he finished building this so important bridge, okay? Okay, I have child support with the reimbursement for health insurance at the $150. I have that set at $1,112.53.
Wait, Judge.
Wait, you're looking real confused. What is it?
No, okay, so anytime she asks for money, he sends it. And I've seen him do it. And anytime he calls to come see his child with her, he's willing to go, but anytime he calls, she never picks up. He's like, where is he? He really does try.
That's the problem.
And
I
I
should
mean,
have to call him.
Excuse me. You will not do that. You will not address her. You will address me.
Yes, ma'am.
So anything that he has given her directly is considered a gift. He doesn't get credit for that.
He needs to.
Well, he needed to be here as well, didn't he? But he thought the bridge building was more important.
Well, yeah, he has to support me and my family as well.
Right, but his son is also his family as well. So you might want to learn how to blend a family, okay?
Oh, I know how to blend.
You know what? Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
Still on messy family situations. Wait until you see what happened at this McDonald's.
What you sorry for? What you sorry for, huh?
No, I'm sorry.
I work every goddamn day to take care of our
I know.
kids.
You're not giving no time to me.
No time.
I'm missing you, okay?
But how you missing me and you out with somebody else?
With
my mama
somebody else is the only
girlfriend.
person that's giving me their time and energy.
That's the only person
we
that give you.
bond together. She is taking the place of you. And I didn't want it to be this way, okay?
What you mean you didn't want it? What? Like, that shit sound dumb as hell. That shit sound dumb as hell.
Come on, man. Relax.
Man, say, you better move to the side before I slide you between them cars. Say, man, stop calling me champ. Stop calling me champ.
Pipe down, son.
Pipe down. Hey, look, I don't hit women. I don't hit women. I don't hit women. You, my mama's girlfriend. Why are y'all together?
It don't matter.
What you mean? What you?
Get out the street.
Get out the street. Back up. Why are you touching?
It don't matter. It don't matter. Pipe down.
Say. You ain't got nothing to do. What's going on? Talk to me. Talk to me. This your last chance. Talk to me. Talk to me. What's going on? You say I'm not giving you no time? What's going on?
According to studies, affairs involving family members happen in about 5% of cheating cases, but they cause 3 times more emotional damage to families. McDonald's ranks is the number 4, most common place where people get caught cheating, right behind hotels, parking lots, and shopping malls.
How is Matthew covered with health insurance?
I have Medicaid.
And has Mr. Smith paid you any money directly
No, ma'am.
since your last order? Okay. Did you have any safety concerns with your personal information being in this order?
No, ma'am.
I pass this witness, Your Honor. Mr. Smith, where are you working?
I'm working at Excel Mulching in Carthage, Texas. Well, that's where their office is.
How much are you making per hour?
Making $25 an hour.
And how many hours a week do you work?
I've only been working 50 for last month or so.
I have no more witnesses, and I want to pretty much non-suit the modification and just get a confirmation of arrears.
Do you actually have a court order that orders Mr. Smith to pay child support to Miss Smith?
Yes.
You do?
Yes, Your Honor.
When was that signed?
That was signed November the 20th of 2019.
All right. Let's see if you actually have that. Y'all be patient with me for just 1 second, okay? All right. So there were 2 children in the court order, Gracie and Matthew. And Miss Smith was named as the primary joint managed conservator. Mr. Smith was named as a possessory conservator. Amended order, it said that he was supposed to pay her $750 a month.
Yes, Your Honor.
Beginning October 1st. Okay. And the state has non-suited its request for modification?
Yes, because when we originally filed it, his wages were a lot lower, and now they've kind of gotten back to similar.
Child support comes with conditions. And most times when the child is 18, the child support comes to an end. Some mothers may seek court orders for back payments or continuation, citing fairness, because there's still younger children in the picture. Let's find out what really happened.
I have reviewed all of the prior court orders in this case, and there is a major problem with the court order that was done in 2019, okay? You see where it says, any child reaches? You see where that says by 1?
Uh-huh.
All right. That means when any of the 2 children you had from this court order ages out, his child support stops.
Well, that's why I haven't been getting any.
It may be. I just know that the court order says what it says. So Mr. Smith's child support should have ended in October of 2020 when Grace turned 18.
But why when I still, I mean, I get, why was it written like that? I guess is my question.
I don't
so
know.
Does that mean,
I'm not the attorney who wrote it, so I don't know why it was written that way.
okay. So he doesn't owe me child support?
Not after May 21st, not after May of 2021, he doesn't. Whatever he owed
I
you.
still have Matthew.
Well, that's what I'm saying. The court order, the way this court order is written, he's not ordered to pay you child support for that child.
Child support compliance is a global issue. In 2017, only 44% of us custodial parents received full payments, 30% received partial payments, and 26% got nothing. Despite court orders, non-compliance stems from financial struggles, paternity, disputes and custody disagreements straining custodial parents' finances and child-rearing efforts. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss new court videos. Like these.
So all these months, Barry doesn't owe me anything.
He doesn't owe you anything from May. He doesn't owe you anything from June of 2021 until now.
Where do you work?
I work for the Office of the Attorney General.
And what is your role in the Office of the Attorney General?
I'm a financial specialist.
Okay. And in your role, are you able to obtain income information for the non-custodial parents?
I am.
And what have you found for the past year for Mr. Smith?
I found that he averaged $57,302.32 for the last 4 quarters.
And so the monthly average was
$4,775.19.
Were there any other court orders for any other children?
No, I did not find any.
How did you say that Matthew was covered for insurance, Ms. Smith?
Texas Medicaid.
Okay. I wish I had the right to go back in time and fix it, because this child, Matthew, deserves support all the time. But I can't fix court orders back in time. I have to just fix them and keep moving. Okay? The law doesn't allow me to go back in time and fix it.
Only 50% of custodial parents have child support agreements, leaving the rest without legal recourse to enforce payments. Child support usually ends at 18 or 21. If the child is in school without formal agreements, securing consistent financial support and accountability becomes a major challenge.
$765 a month in child support. I'll order Ms. Smith to maintain the health insurance that she has on the child, and he will be ordered to pay an additional $150 a month in cash medical. Mr. Smith will pay back the judgment that he owes for child support by paying an additional, let's say $30 a month on the child support, and we'll say $5 a month on the medical support for those amounts. Those will also begin October the 1st of 2022. Mr. Smith will be responsible for court costs, but I'll give him until May 31st of 2023 to pay my court costs. Miss Leonard, did the state hear all the terms and conditions of my court order?
Yes, Your Honor.
No.
You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
$38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69?
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay. So Your first answer was no, so then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
Voice child support laws vary by state, impacting when payments start end, and how they're calculated. Payments usually stop at 18 or 21. If the child pursues higher education but unpaid support remains owed with interest, these differences often cause confusion and disputes, making it vital for parents to understand state-specific laws to ensure compliance.